Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Make sure your system uses UEFI with secure boot support and that you have a full backup plus Windows 10 recovery USB. Once done, boot into firmware, UEFI, and temporarily disable secure boot only if necessary to enroll new keys. You want to avoid bricking the bootloader. Next, obtain the MSI installer, signed with a trusted certificate, and inspect the signature chain so you know why Windows will accept the module when secure boot is enforced. You now perform the middle steps. If using custom keys, generate a platform key and a KEK, then enroll them in UEFI key management. Otherwise, ensure Microsoft keys are present. Next, sign the MSI bootloader with Authenticode using SHA-256 so secure boot can validate the payload. Make sure to update the BCD entries with bcdedit to point to your signed bootloader and verify signatures with Sign Tool. Finally, check UEFI variables with FABootnger or firmware UI to confirm the new boot entry exists. You finish by re-enabling secure boot in UEFI and immediately testing a full reboot to confirm Windows 10 boots from the signed MSI loader. Make sure to observe driver and kernel module loading because an unsigned driver can block boot. Update or sign drivers as needed. If the system fails to boot, boot the recovery USB, enter firmware key management, and inspect enrolled keys and signature validation logs. This step reveals whether the PK/KEK or Authenticode signature is the problem and guides your fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.